As part of sort of this residency, you know, half of the time was for me and Sue to concentrate on our research, and within this film, we are, you know, sort of currently engaging with the visual form of the triptych in both video and photography. I often use sort of the slowing down of the videos. Besides referencing time, it also draws out the poetics. This is a technique that I, along with other artists such as Pippola Tourist in Sit My Ocean and Bill Viola's First Dream, have repeatedly been drawn to. And this dreamlike quality hopefully invites the audience to enter simultaneous time zones. And I'm just going to show you a short film now which has got sound to it of this piece that Sue and I have developed. It's still a work in progress. This was my image from my room actually at the Ablett where I actually worked, and I was fascinated by this little yellow truck which was always sort of outside the room. And one particular day when I was working sort of with a patient, we were working on creative writing, and this particular day we just had a one-to-one session. She was just sort of there on her own, and she told me something that we were talking about sort of maybe trying to create some memories, and you know, I'd shown her a few things to sort of try and inspire her and that, and she wasn't feeling particularly well this day, and she just said that she couldn't remember anything. She hadn't got any memories from the time from the age of 20 to sort of from 0 to 20 because she'd had ECT treatment. And I thought this was quite sad, because she actually, although she was actually feeling that bad, that she actually wanted, you know, sort of the treatment again. And what I thought would be actually really nice to do would be to do a performance where I was actually filling her with memories. So this is a video still of a performance that I did at the Ablett, and I've called this "She Couldn't Recollect, So We Filled Her With Memories." And I actually did a film piece where I actually was just unfolding sheets and actually putting them in this little yellow truck. I see this envisaged sort of projected. This is sort of an installation shot of how, you know, it's a work in progress of how the exhibition sort of might look like. It's you know, the film which is projected onto sort of medical screens, and the really nice thing about these screens is the curtains are plastic, and you can sort of like gather them or loosen them as you want, but you can actually see both sides. So I actually envisage this as actually people being able to walk around them. This is a video that was done in collaboration with one of the patients, and what she was saying is that she would actually, when she gets well again, she'd really like to, you know, sort of be able to dance again. So this is a video piece that I've done in collaboration with her, and I just want to show you a very short clip of the actual film. Progress on the installation view, again projected onto the medical screens. I've got 3 of these screens, and I actually, one will be for the, she couldn't recollect, so we filled her with memories. One will be for this one she dreamed of, and we're working on another. This is sort of just a JPEG of what the homepage of the website for the hospital will sort of look like. It's again, it's just in its infancy really. It's very, very loosely based on the phrenology head, which we used in the first film that I've shown you, the white film. What will happen is sort of these splodges of colour will just sort of seep through sort of very, very slowly, and it'll sort of work on the text. The text actually is going to change quite a bit on this, but you'll be able to go into it and see the films and also some of the creative writing that the patients have done as well. And as part of this, we're going to actually have an exhibition as well, which will be involve sort of the films we've done as a collaborative with the patients, and also sort of the paintings and you know, the installations. This will be held in July this year, 2010, and it'll be part of the Wrexham Science Festival.